welcome to the channel. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. On this channel, I'll do content on fitness, like building those biceps, shoulder head press, one hand, and technology like cell phone, Fitbit, and so on. Guys, if you want to support my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Share this video to your friends and family. But today, I'll do an unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet for kids between 3 to 7. And I'll do random giveaway. Start small, right? This Under Armour shirt at 100 subscriber. So let's hit that 100 subscriber. Not my favorite color, so I'll give one to you guys if you like that color. And here is the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet for kids. So let's go unbox it. Bear with me, this is my first unbox video. So let's get started. Did you see this pen here? This is my favorite pen. Look what happened here. Voila! See that? Woo! Ah, it's very sharp. See all those collars here? This is from the barbell. See how sharp this is. Oh. Yeah! Okay, let's get started with this unboxing. Nice orange color box. Wow. Fire HD 8 Kids Edition. Age 3 plus. It's very nice. See if you can see the screen here. That's my son when he was a few days old. Now he's turning 5. So it's a HD display. Micro SD slot up to 1 gig, quad core, 2 gigs of RAM, dual band, Wi-Fi, and front and rear cameras. Wow. Flip down stand. This blue case protected from falling whenever it falls. This stand is pretty, could go at in different angles. The camera is here. Charging port. Button to start. Maybe it's one. There we go. Amazon logo. Fire! Fire, fire! English. Next. So I have to log into my Wi-Fi. So enter your Amazon password to set up your device. Or switch account if you are not a Findo. Activate Kids. Amazon Kids Plus. Set up a screen pin. To create the PIN number, continue, and then you add your child profile, like a name and birthday. And then it says Blue Sky Theme, great for kids under 9 and older, or Midnight Black Theme, great for kids 9 to 12. He's gonna be 5, so it's great for kids under 9 years older. Done. Continue. You got a picture of his profile. Launch. Ah, pretty cool. We got games, Apps and games. Go back. Movies and TVs. Back. Educational. Books. You like Pete the cat. And then you have to download it, and then probably that's it. It's pretty responsive. ABC English. Let's see what's the camera like. Oh, here's the camera. What else is inside the box? It's just a charger and a cable. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Like I said earlier, this is my first unbox video. Fire HD 8 for kids between age 3 to 7. Amazon. So I'm gonna learn more about this tablet, and then I'll give you guys an update. I'll make another video in the future. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out.